Have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? It's a terrifying thought, but also a fascinating one. Today, we'll explore the incredible journey of falling into one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity. To understand what happens when you fall into a black hole, we first need to know what they are. A black hole is a region of space-time exhibiting such strong gravitational effects that nothing, not even particles and electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from inside it. Imagine approaching a black hole. Its immense gravity pulls you in, an invisible force growing stronger with every inch you draw closer. This is the irresistible pull, the start of an extraordinary and perilous journey. As you get closer, the black hole's gravity intensifies, accelerating your descent. You'd feel a growing stretch, a peculiar sensation as the forces on your feet become stronger than on your head. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once you cross this boundary, escaping the black hole's gravity is impossible, even for light. From here, all paths lead inward. As you pass the event horizon, a phenomenon known as, quote, spaghettification occurs. The immense gravitational gradient stretches your body vertically while compressing it horizontally, turning you into a long, thin strand. Once inside the event horizon, the laws of physics as we know them change. All directions lead towards the singularity, the incredibly dense point at the black hole's center. There's no turning back. Even if you had a spaceship capable of traveling at the speed of light, the space-time inside the event horizon is curved so intensely that it would still pull you towards the singularity. As you approach the singularity, time itself would distort. From your perspective, time would continue normally, but for an outside observer, your descent would appear to slow down infinitely as you approach the event horizon. In the very last moments, the forces acting upon you would be unimaginable. You would be stretched and squeezed beyond recognition, your body torn apart at an atomic level. Ultimately, your journey would end at the singularity, where all matter is crushed into an infinitely dense point. It's a fate beyond our comprehension. A profound question in physics is what happens to the information of objects that fall into a black hole? Does it disappear forever, violating fundamental laws, or is it preserved in some mysterious way? Falling into a black hole is a journey into the extreme, where the known laws of physics are pushed to their limits. It's a reminder of the universe's incredible and often bewildering phenomena. Despite what we know, black holes continue to hold many mysteries. Scientists are still working to understand their true nature and the role they play in the universe. Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending journey into a black hole. We hope you've gained a new appreciation for the wonders and terrors of our universe.